guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are now going to check in to our hotel here in Wuxi, and the name of the hotel is Wanda Moments Hotel. So I think it's just new, this Wanda Moments Hotel, and then it has a mall. I think it's a 3-story or 4-story mall beside it. So what time is it? It's 9:30 in the evening, and we'll try to look around, but as per the security guard, the clothing stores or yung mga stores ng mga damit, it closes at around 9:30 p.m. but yung mga cafes until 12 midnight. This one, I think it's still a hotel, another hotel. So my hot pot, I love it here. Alam mo yung kahit province siya, pero alam niyo yun, super nice. Hindi mo siya kalain na province. So tomorrow, it's our 3rd day. Ang itinerary natin is we're gonna go back to Shanghai. I think hapon na, late in the afternoon, kasi continuation naman ng tour natin sa Wuxi. Grabe guys, alam niyo ba, super sulit talaga kasi yung hotel namin in Shanghai, I think bago lang din siya, and super laki. Super ganda, as in. Talagang highly recommended ko talaga yung hotel na yon. It's Hongqiao Yiqing Hotel. So, I'm gonna vlog din yung quick room tour namin doon at the same time ito, para if you're planning to visit Shanghai or to visit China, then you can book doon sa hotel na pinagstayhan namin. Oh, sayang. Actually, I'm planning to check pa naman doon sa tindahan ng mga damit. Kasi I changed my mind kung anong susuotin ko sa Disneyland. So, check ko sana kung may skirt. Though, alam niyo ba guys, yung weather today sa Wuxi is 12 degrees. So, Wuxi is much colder than Shanghai. Hindi pa ganun kalamig sa Shanghai right now. It's autumn, but hindi pa ganun kalamig sa Shanghai kasi parang medyo nasa baba siyang part ng China compared to Wuxi. Ayun, sana close na yung bilihan ng mga damit. So, kanina nag-crave ako mag-milk tea. Try naman natin yung milk tea dito. It's Chaggi. So it's Chaggi. So what's their bestseller here? I think we can have I think fresh lemon jasmine tea, or you want something milk tea or what? Let's try lang kung matapang ba yung tea nila or what. I think we can try
manga?
No. Fresh lemon jasmine tea.
Fresh lemon. Ika tea. Like fresh lemon jasmine tea.
So this is the lobby of our hotel. So I'll try to wake up early tomorrow para at least we can see kung ano yung itsura niya pag morning. Medyo madilim lang tonight kasi nga gabi na. So you can also buy drinks here pala. So there's a cafe naman there. So kapag sarado na yung mga stores, though meron naman convenience store outside. I think it's 24/7. So may ito yung restroom, and then dito yung breakfast daw tomorrow. 1 Vita. Madilim na, so tomorrow na lang. Yan. So that's a toilet inside. Ang ganda din. Very modern. Very modern ang interior. So let's go. You can stay anytime here. Oh, that's a robot. Hello. So if you need anything, where are you going? Working, waiting for elevator. Oh, this robot will go inside the elevator. So I think if you need something, like for example, later let's try to ask for
the room.
Yeah, it's for room service. O, diba? So there's our hi robot. It's just waiting for the elevator to open. Bye, robot. Diba? So high-tech. Bye! Masakto guys, naabutan pa natin yung robot. So, our moms is here at 516. Ang ano ko nga yung hotel namin sa Shanghai, meron ding robot, I think eh. So, it's our room. I'll be touring you around. Medyo, ano lang, lagyan lang namin yung mga gamit. And then, let's, tingnan natin kung ano meron here. Galing kami sa labas, actually, guys. We bought something. Ito lang, milk tea. Try natin. Yan. Hi guys! So again, as promised, I'm going to tour you around. Picture lang here sa hotel namin in Wuxi. So we're here in Moments Hotel. I'm sorry, we're here in Wanda Moments Hotel. So I love the hotel. I like the room. So let me tour you around the room. So guys, pagpasok mo, actually very unique siya kasi pagpasok mo, eto na agad, yung sink na. I like dun sa room ng mom ko, talagang separate talaga yung bathroom. So of course, ang ganda ng mirror, very unique. Then there's here the mirror. So gold siya. And then of course, yung towels right here. And oh, I think this is the shampoo ba? Oh, no, hand wash. Nice, huh? And body lotion. I love it. Very classy. May face towels, of course, toothbrush, then shower cup, and cotton buds. Then meron ding glass that you can use, and then tissue, and of course, the hair dryer. Sige, gamitin natin bukas. Ang itsura niya. Let me see. Oh, nice. So, hair dryer. Okay. So, maraming towels, and then may weighing scale. And here's the shower room. So, as I've told you, ang lagi ko talagang chine-check is yung shampoo. So, it's Akakapa, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And I think there's hot and cold din. Ayan. And sa other side naman, andun na yung shower room, okay? But here pala, pagpasok pa pala, yung left side mo is yung hanger area, so you can hang your clothes. And then, I think you can also put your luggage here. Wala lang talagang cabinet na, for the luggage. Yan. And then, ito naman yung bathroom. So, it's a twin bed. Tapos, I think there is a lamp here, touch lamp. Oh, then, hindi siya na-adjust. Ayan. So, may socket din, USB, and, oh, yeah, of course, meron siyang Type-C ba to? Or, yeah, Type-C. USB and then Type-C. Top light, so magka-close siya. Pag nakiilaw siya, meaning naka-on. And, ayun, meron din siyang diffuser. Oh, for babies. Okay. So, ayan yung kanyang desk side table. And then, dito naman, we have the parang, then look, ang kitang design ng mugs. And then, of course, complimentary water. And then, yung kettle. So, meron din yung switch sa likod. Then, cabinets. So, may flashlight, and then ito, may gas mask yata ito for emergency purposes. O, diba? Ganito yung kanila. Then, meron ding slippers. Yan, slippers. So, that's in here. Then, of course, may trash can. They also have yung TV. I'm just wondering, ano to? Itong side na to. Or maybe they can parang post something like mga posters or advertisement. Yan. So here, I think you can request for something. Ito, yes, meron silang food, snacks. So you can I think ask or order. And then here naman is yung, oh, may nail cutters, may nail dippers, soap, children's slipper, shower cup, sewing kit, handbag, and charger. I'm not sure lang if may bayad siya. Ayan. So maybe we can request for a nail dipper kasi actually I'm planning to buy sana kanya sa convenience store, but nanghinayin kasi ako. So I think we can request later. So yan, you can watch TV. Very spacious siya, no? And then, sorry, medyo messy na. Nilagyan na namin ng gamit. So there's round table, of course, chair. And then, okay. I thought it's a couch lang, but this is parang an extra bed in case na 3 adults kayo or meron children or may excess kayo, more than 2 people, you can use this one. Nice, ha? I think this is for if bata. You can, I think, balik na rin siya para hindi mahulog. And, oh, what's this? Is it a Bluetooth speaker? Oh, may Bluetooth speaker din. Oh, nice, ha? May Bluetooth speaker dito. And then, of course, telephone. Another touch lamp. And then, of course, remote control. So, both sides, merong socket, and then meron din USB and Type-C. Yan. Okay? So, what else? Tomorrow, I'll be showing you na lang yung view natin. Kasi right now, since it's very dark outside, we cannot see kung ano yung view natin. But definitely tomorrow, I can show you. Kasi ito, I'm not sure kung may light. Parang dilim eh, oh. Ayan. So, tomorrow na lang. So, ayun guys. Nag-request tayo ng complimentary and additional complimentary water. And we'll see if the robot will be the one delivering our water.
喂，你好，晚上好，可不可以申请多2个拖鞋跟2瓶水啊？ 啊？没有送，没有人送啊。好好的。好。So, yung robot tumawag. So, nasa labas na daw. In-request natin tubig.
So, ayan guys, pupuntahan na natin. The robot is here na! Okay. Hi, the robot is here. Hi, robot. So, ito na yung pinadeliver natin na delivery arrived. So, let's open it. Ayun. Ni hao. Xie. And then we're gonna close this. And then close. Bye. Xie. Bye. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed our quick room tour. And tomorrow I'll be filming then yung breakfast natin. So now magpapahinga na kami guys. And we'll see you all tomorrow. Good night.
Good morning! Tao-an! So, pakita ko lang sa inyo guys yung view natin. But, unfortunately, nasa likod pala tayo na part ng hotel. We're gonna eat breakfast first. And then, pakita ko lang sa inyo guys yung food na sinaserve every breakfast.
Good morning, good morning. Morning. Good morning, robot. So you're here na.
So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!